Imagine yourself adrift in the vast, silent emptiness of space, where the only sound is your own breath. Stars like celestial diamonds twinkle against the infinite black canvas of the cosmos, each one a distant sun with its own story. Suddenly you are drawn to a region of darkness, an abyss so profound that it seems to consume the very fabric of space-time itself, pulling everything into its mysterious depths. This is a black hole, a region of space-time where gravity's pull is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp, creating a cosmic trapdoor. Black holes are the remnants of massive stars collapsed under their own gravity into infinitely dense points known as singularities, where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. Their existence, once a controversial prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity, is now a cornerstone of modern astrophysics, challenging our understanding of space and time. In this journey, we will delve into their mysterious formation, explore their bizarre and mind-bending properties, and discuss their profound implications for our understanding of the universe, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. At the heart of every black hole lies a simple yet profound concept: gravity, the force that shapes the universe. We experience gravity daily as the force that holds us to the earth, making apples fall and keeping our feet firmly planted. It's the invisible hand that governs our everyday lives. However, in a black hole, gravity doesn't just hold things down, it reigns supreme, warping the very fabric of space-time itself into a cosmic whirlpool. Picture a trampoline with a heavy bowling ball in the center, creating a deep dip. This is a simple analogy for how gravity works. Similarly, a black hole's immense mass distorts space-time, creating a gravitational well so deep that nothing can climb out, not even light. It's like a cosmic trapdoor. As you approach a black hole, time itself begins to slow down, an effect known as time dilation, where seconds stretch into eternity. Imagine watching the universe in slow motion. The event horizon is the ultimate boundary, the point of no return, beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape the black hole's grasp. It's the edge of the unknown, where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, randomly sucking up everything in sight. They are far more fascinating and complex phenomena. These enigmatic entities are the remnants of massive stars that have reached the end of their life cycles in a spectacular fashion. Stars act as cosmic furnaces, fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores and releasing tremendous amounts of energy, illuminating the universe. This outward pressure from nuclear fusion counteracts the inward pull of gravity, creating a delicate balance that keeps the star stable and shining. However, this delicate balance is temporary and cannot last forever. As a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, gravity takes over, causing the star's core to collapse in on itself with immense force, leading to a dramatic transformation. For stars much more massive than our Sun, this catastrophic collapse results in a supernova explosion, one of the most powerful and luminous events in the universe. The aftermath of this explosion is the birth of a black hole, a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, marking the beginning of a new cosmic mystery. Black holes come in a fascinating array of sizes, each playing a crucial role in the grand cosmic tapestry. Stellar mass black holes, the most common type, are born from the dramatic collapse of massive stars and typically possess masses a few times that of our Sun. These stellar giants are the remnants of some of the universe's most cataclysmic explosions. Supermassive black holes, in contrast, reside at the centers of galaxies, including our very own Milky Way. These cosmic behemoths can have masses billions of times that of our Sun, exerting a gravitational pull so immense that they orchestrate the motions of stars and gas within their host galaxies. The discovery of these diverse types of black holes has revolutionized our understanding of the universe, unveiling the hidden forces that sculpt the cosmos. Imagine a majestic waterfall cascading over a steep cliff, its waters plunging into the unknown below. The event horizon of a black hole is like the edge of that waterfall, a boundary marking the point of no return. It's the ultimate boundary, where gravity's pull becomes so overpowering that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. This event horizon isn't a solid barrier but a region where space-time is dramatically warped by the black hole's immense gravitational force. As you approach the event horizon, time itself appears to slow down, relative to an observer watching from a safe distance, creating a surreal experience. Crossing this threshold means embarking on a one-way journey to the singularity, the mysterious and enigmatic core of the black hole, where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. As you approach the singularity, you would encounter the bizarre and terrifying effects of extreme gravity, unlike anything experienced before. One such effect is spaghettification, a dramatic and almost surreal phenomenon caused by the intense tidal forces near a black hole. Picture yourself falling feet first towards a black hole. The gravitational pull on your feet would be significantly stronger than on your head, stretching you out like a piece of spaghetti. This stretching effect occurs due to the immense difference in gravitational forces acting on different parts of your body, creating a surreal and terrifying experience. As you descend closer, the disparity in gravitational pull would become even more extreme, eventually tearing you apart in a violent process known as tidal disruption. At the singularity, the very heart of the black hole, our current understanding of physics completely collapses, leaving us with profound mysteries and questions about the fundamental nature of the universe. The singularity at the heart of a black hole represents the ultimate limit of our current understanding of physics. It's a point where gravity is so intense that it warps space and time beyond recognition, creating a region where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. Several groundbreaking theories attempt to explain the enigmatic nature of the singularity, each with profound implications for the fate of information that falls into a black hole. Could it be that information is lost forever, or is it somehow preserved in ways we have yet to comprehend? One leading theory is the firewall hypothesis, which suggests that intense radiation exists at the event horizon. This theory posits that anything crossing the event horizon would be incinerated by a wall of fire, challenging our understanding of black hole interiors. Another fascinating theory proposes that black holes are not infinitely dense points but rather fuzzballs, tangled up strings of energy. This idea, rooted in string theory, suggests a more intricate and complex structure than previously imagined, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of these cosmic enigmas. Despite their elusive nature, scientists have made remarkable strides in observing and studying black holes, unlocking some of the universe's most profound mysteries. A monumental breakthrough came in 2019 with the first-ever image of a black hole's shadow, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of synchronized radio telescopes. This image unveiled a bright ring of light encircling a dark central region, the black hole's shadow offering an unprecedented glimpse into the heart of these cosmic titans. This observation not only provided the first direct visual evidence of black holes, but also confirmed Einstein's century-old theory of general relativity, a monumental scientific validation. Scientists are also delving into black holes by observing their gravitational effects on nearby stars and the bending of light, revealing the warping of space itself. By analyzing the radiation emitted from accretion disks, astronomers can decipher the black hole's mass, spin, and even its feeding habits, shedding light on these enigmatic cosmic objects. One common myth is that black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. But that's not quite accurate. In reality, black holes exert the same gravitational pull as any other object of the same mass. They don't indiscriminately consume everything around them. Instead, they only affect objects that come very close to them. For instance, if our sun were to be replaced by a black hole of the same mass, the Earth's orbit would remain unchanged. Life would be affected by the lack of sunlight, but the gravitational pull would be the same. So no need to worry about being sucked into oblivion. Another widespread myth is that nothing can escape a black hole. This isn't entirely true. While it is true that nothing can escape from within the event horizon, black holes can emit radiation known as Hawking radiation. This phenomenon allows black holes to lose mass and energy over time, eventually leading to their evaporation. So, black holes aren't eternal monsters, they have a life cycle too. Let's indulge our curiosity and imagine what it would be like to fall into a black hole, equipped with an indestructible suit. Buckle up for a mind-bending adventure into the unknown. As you approach the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, you would witness the universe around you becoming increasingly distorted like a funhouse mirror. The stars would stretch and warp in a surreal dance. Time would slow down dramatically, almost to a standstill, and the light from distant stars would be blue-shifted, appearing more intense and energetic due to the immense gravitational field. It's as if the universe is putting on a light show just for you. Crossing the event horizon would be surprisingly uneventful from your perspective, almost as if nothing had changed. Yet, you've crossed into a realm where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. However, you would now be trapped within the black hole's gravitational grasp, with no possibility of escape, destined to fall inexorably towards the singularity at its core. This is the point of no return. As you plummet towards the singularity, you would experience the bizarre and terrifying spaghettification effect, where your body would be stretched and compressed by the intense tidal forces, like a piece of spaghetti being pulled apart. This is the ultimate test of endurance and curiosity. The study of black holes is a rapidly evolving field, with groundbreaking discoveries reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. Cutting-edge technological advancements are continuously pushing the boundaries of what we know. Future research aims to capture even more detailed images of black hole shadows, revealing their intricate structures. Scientists are delving deeper into the properties of accretion disks, which are the swirling rings of matter around black holes. Another exciting frontier is the search for evidence of the elusive Hawking radiation, which could revolutionize our understanding of black hole thermodynamics. Boldly, scientists are investigating the possibility of sending a probe into a black hole, a mission that could unlock unprecedented insights. Although such a mission presents formidable technological challenges, the potential rewards are immense. Successfully sending a probe could provide invaluable data about the nature of these mysterious cosmic giants. The quest to understand black holes is a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to explore the vast universe, black holes remain one of the most fascinating and enigmatic phenomena, driving us to push the limits of science and technology. Black holes, once considered mere theoretical curiosities, have now become pivotal to our understanding of the cosmos. These cosmic giants act as engines that drive the evolution of galaxies, sculpting the universe as we perceive it. Their immense gravitational pull provides a natural laboratory for testing our most fundamental theories of physics, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge to new frontiers. As we delve deeper into these enigmatic objects, we encounter profound questions about the nature of gravity, the fate of information, and the ultimate destiny of the universe itself. The quest to unravel the mysteries of black holes is a journey into the unknown, a journey that promises to challenge our deepest assumptions, ignite our imaginations, and inspire countless generations to come.